Hello viewers, hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the great software for your use daily. And I think if you have website or if you have company website or you are working within a company to develop website, then you must be needed. You must be needed because it is the SEO related software like SEMrush, apps that type. Okay, so today I will give you the top review why you buy to it and what you have to do. Just I will share the some ideas. And if you want to buy it, then go to my description link here. You can buy from here, and you'll get a 10 discount from my affiliate. Okay, so let me show. SEUTT. SEUTT. Okay. So optimize your SEO strategy for Google with a data-driven platform. You can see that. If you see that it's alternative to Ahrefs, Semrush, and Mangoes. Okay. So if you want to access real-time organic keyword research, you can use the monitoring website from, then you can go from here. And here also backlinks are available. So as you can go easily improve the SEO on your website. And if you need marketing agencies, especially for small business looking for easy SEO listing, then you can use it. And here also lead generation marketing and SEO are available. So overview, I have to read this overview, then you can also see. SEODP is an SEO platform packed with powerful tools for keyword research, site audits, rank tracking, backlinking, and more. Suppose you have a website, you don't have to do anything. Okay, if you want to improve your website SEO, just buy it and making SEO from here. You will get everything, keyword research, site audits, backlinks, everything will be here. Just buy it and do your website SEO within a month or within a week. I think it will be a good result because it's very focused software nowadays. So SEO lets you explore the organic and paid traffic also and high boolean keyword you can. Analyze the keyword tag competitors required along with their ad copy or refine your marketing. Wow, a lot of features is included. I think it will be better for you to buy. Okay, and you can also able to pull up web pages with high traffic to discover kind of content just performing really well. So look at the another features. Actually, I recommend you to buy for you develop your website. If you do affiliate marketing or if you do any money making from your website, then it will be very helpful for you. Okay, with Seodity you can take advantage of on-site audits to analyze the factors impacting your website search ranking. I think someone knows search ranking. Analyze the backlinks from any website build your own backlink strategy. You can automatically compare the keyword ranking. I can see competitors. Find your site ranking on Google Search. You can track search position. A lot of features that are available here. Deal terms and condition lifetime deal. You can get lifetime deal and on feature agency plan average and only a few users who do not have existing accounts, unlimited projects, unlimited domain, daily analysis, weekly technical SEO analysis. So I hope you will understand a lot of features are available here. So just buy it and improve your website very well. They are like ranking one. So at the description, I will give you the link. In the description, just buy from here and you'll get 10 discount, 10 to 20 discount from the link. So hope you will understand. Hope you will understand. And I think it will be very helpful for you. So thanks for joining with me and subscribe my channel. Edit the bell icon. So thank you very much.